Once again, very warm greetings to you all, dear students. In the last video, we tried to understand how we can measure the degree of an angle. Today, we are going to do some creative activity over here. But my first question is, how many of you have the protector in your geometry box? The answer of some of the students may be yes, that we have the protector, and some of the students may not have such kind of protector in our home. Today we are going to do one kind of activity in which we will try to understand how we can make a protector by using the simple available things in our home. So in order to make the protector, we have to collect some materials or the instrument which we will use in making the protector. So first of all, I would like to introduce the all material over here. So I have taken this sketch pen, then this is the scale. You can take a small scale, there is no problem. Then I have, this is the plastic cap, and this is the metal dish. Whenever you choose such kind of metal or the plastic, you have to ensure that this shape should be in circle shape. This all, whatever you are going to take, should be in circle. You can see this is the metal dish, this is in circle shape, and even this plastic cap is also in metal shape. Now you will need one kind of scissor. You can take small size of scissor also, and one plain paper. If there is no plain paper, there is no problem. You can take your drawing copy, and you can tear off the one paper from that your drawing copy. Now at last you will need this some color pencil in order to color the protector which we will going to make. Now at first, what we have to do, we have to simply take one kind of circle or the one out of these two available things. I am going to choose this plastic cap, and what I am going to do over here, you have to simply mark the outline of this plastic cap, or you can take the metal dish also. So what I have did, I just marked the outline of this plastic cap. So after marking such kind of outline, you will get such kind of outline, isn't it? So what we have to do, we have to simply cut out this extra parts in order to make this circle. So I am going to cut this circle over here. You can see in such way you have to cut this circle, and you can also take the help of your parents, your elder siblings also, so there is no problem. And whenever you use scissor, take too much precaution, because scissor may be harm to you. So I request you to, whatever activity we are going to do over here is should be supervised by the parents or your elder siblings. So now you can see I have just cut out this circle. Now after this circle, I have the circle. Now what I am going to do, I have to simply fold this circle in order to make the two parts. Now this activity you have to do very carefully, because this is going to make our protector perfect protector. If you fold this properly, your measurement will be absolutely correct. But you will you do some wrong in folding, then your protector may not be so accurate. So after folding, you got such kind of fold over here. So what I am going to do here, I am just going to mark the fold. So after doing this, I am going to cut this circle into two parts. So now I got this half circle. Now what I have to do, I have to simply fold it again, and again I have to fold this. This is again we have to fold with utmost precaution, utmost care. So after folding this half circle into various parts, now I got this mark. You can see this is the one mark, this is the second mark, this is the third mark. So After getting this, I am going to mark these elevated parts. Now you can see over here 1, 2, and this is the third. Now dear students, you know the measurement of full rotation. When we learn about 3D shape, the measurement or the degree of full rotation is 360 degree, isn't it? Now you tell me, if we divided this 360 into two parts, what will be the degree of this half circle? The degree of this half circle will be 180. If this is 360 degree, then the half circle will be 180 degree. This is basic concept we are going to use over here. Now if this is 180, then what will be the measurement of this half circle? Now you tell me, the full circle is 360 degree. Now we folded it and cut it into the two parts. So this will be 180 degree and this will be 180 degree. Again what I have done, I have just folded into the two parts. So this part will be 90 degree and this part will be 90 degree, isn't it? So this is the basic concept. Now you can see this is the 90 degree and this is the 90 degree. Again what we have done, we have folded this 90 degree into the two parts. So 90 into two parts means 45. So this part will be of the 45 degree and this part of the 45 degree. In this way you can see this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, and this is the 90 degree. This is 45 degree and this is the 45 degree. So again this is the 90 degree. This is 90 degree and 90 degree, making this protector of the 180 degree. So after doing this, you can also mark the lines at equal distance in order to make this 45 degree. So you can simply measure using the scale, measure this distance by using the scale, and you can mark this simple small line of the 10 degree. So here you can see this was the first mark. So I have made 10 degree, 20, 30, and this is the 40. But you can see the 40 or the fourth block is slightly larger, because we have to measure, or the degree of this part is 45 degree. That's why this last portion will be slightly larger. So in this way you can mark the line over here, and you can use this colorful pencil in order to make your protector very attractive or look beautiful. In this way you can make your protector at your home, and you can use the degree of any kind of angle, making your own protector or using your own protector. So dear students, so far I have tried to make such kind of protector. So I hope you understand it well, and I hope you will enjoy this activity. So my sincere request to you all to kindly try to make this kind of protector. Even if you have this kind of protector, you can make this kind of protector, and you kindly send the photos of this protector on my personal WhatsApp number, and I will try to use your protector in the next upcoming class. So thank you so much.